Hi guys, nakapag Bicol Express na po ba ang lahat ng GFH Street Restaurant? So ayun na nga guys, naka-receive na nga tayo dyan ng order through Talabat ng 1 Bicol Express and 1 Jasmine Rice guys. Bali regular customer natin si Madam guys sa Talabat. Paborito niya talagang orderin ang Bicol Express ng GFH Street Restaurant. Once again guys, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food. So you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction.
Good food, good mood.
Everyday fresh!
Quality goods!
Guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, follow, subscribe the GFH Street page in social media. And guys, ang link ng Talabat, Smiles and Noon application nasa comment section guys. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street restaurant. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Nice one. Thank you so much, Eflon. Okay.